Hello, Barry Henderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. You know, it's always wonderful when a kind of a plan comes through and or follows through and what you might have thought could happen. So today's edition is based on CNEY. Now, why CNEY, this cheap little stock? Okay, so first of all, it's a low float stock and it's out of China. So why did I care about CNEY? Well, first of all, saw this in the pre-market and was super active. But the reason I was really interested in CNEY was because of what happened with QH yesterday. Let me get to a daily chart. The complete craziness of what happened with QH yesterday, another low float China stock. This stock, you know, the day before yesterday, well, even yesterday, was a 43-cent stock at the beginning, closed up here at $1.48. What you can't see is that in the pre-market today, it got up to 3 something. And even at the, market hours, it got up to 2 something. I mean, look at this crazy move, 31 cents up to 227. So my premise was this, is that CNEY is another one of these crazy low float China stocks that was moving in the pre-market. And look at the volume, 214 million shares are traded. Yesterday, that QH traded, I think, about 300 million shares. Now, we're not quite halfway through the market, so I think this could eclipse it. And I thought, you know what? If this gets over $1, and that was my, because I don't want to take stocks under $1, it's just sort of a mindset that I got. But once it got over $1, I pounced on it. And you get to a 5-minute chart. And before it pulled back at all, I would love to say that I got in at 102, 103. I'd love to say I held on up to 138. Of course I didn't, but I made enough in the middle 2/3 that this was just a wonderful trade. Now, what I'm hoping for is later on in the day, maybe we get some enthusiasm back. You see how the volume has tapered off, but we get some enthusiasm back and maybe it takes out that high of the day and has a late day run. QH actually did not start its run until 3 o'clock yesterday. See if I can back this up so you can see that. Yeah, look at that. No, that's after hours. That's after hours. Look at the move after hours it had. I mean, just crazy. But there, 3 o'clock. That's when it made its move. It was still under $1. It was 80 cents, and that's when it made its move. And from 80 cents all the way up to $1.47, and then the craziness after hours. So I have no idea if CNEY is going to do the same thing, but I'll certainly be paying attention to it later on in the day. Okay, everybody, I want to get back into the trading room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.